Hey, what's going on, you guys? My name is Carson Rouse, and welcome back to Business Buzz, where we focus on business, entrepreneurship, and investing. Today, I'll be telling you just how much money my TikTok account makes and a bunch of tips and tricks on how you can grow your TikTok account as well. So I just started my TikTok account 2 months ago, and I'm pretty happy with the results. I'm already at nearly 16,000 followers. The first part of today's video will mostly be going over tips and tricks on how you can grow your TikTok account, and then I'll be talking about the different ways you can make money on TikTok, and finally I'll be revealing how much I have made so far. I'm going to timestamp this video. If you don't care about any of the tips and stuff like that, you can just skip straight to see how much money I've made, but I recommend you watch this video through if you're truly interested in growing your account. There are 6 tips I'll be going through. Let's start off with number 1, sticking to a niche. Just like on YouTube, sticking to a niche on TikTok is so important. Whatever you might be interested in, whether it be golf, social commentary, news, comedy, dancing, whatever it may be, make sure that all of your videos center around this one topic. For example, my TikTok is all about the NFL, and the reason I don't go off topic and talk about other things or make dancing videos and things like that is because when an NFL fan watches one of my videos on their For You page and then they click on my account, if they see a bunch of other NFL videos, they're going to be much more likely to subscribe as if they see a bunch of random content where I'm making videos on all sorts of topics. So be sure to stick to that niche because you will grow followers much more efficiently. It can be very tempting to make videos off topic from your niche, but I've noticed I've done it a couple times and those videos usually get very little views, very little reaction, very little likes, and if anything, they lose me followers. But don't misinterpret what I'm saying. Just because I want you to stick to the same topic doesn't mean you have to stick to talking about the exact same thing every day or the same exact format. For example, while my videos are about the NFL, I make videos on recent news in the NFL, the history of football, ranking different things in the NFL, and my highest viewed video ever is of me kicking a field goal.
Waited in line 2 hours for this kick. 7 months later, it still keeps me up at night.
Number 2, make a part 2. By far the most efficient way of gaining more followers on TikTok, at least in my experience, is to make videos that require multiple parts, like a part 2 or even a part 3 and part 4. This will keep viewers intrigued and possibly influence them to follow your account so they don't miss the next installments of your videos. For example, when I make ranking videos involving all 32 NFL teams, I'll usually split it up into multiple parts, and I get a lot of followers doing that because they want to follow me so they can see the next few videos that come out. Now, of course, some of these followers probably do unfollow me after I'm finished with said series, but a lot of people, once they follow you, they're unlikely to unfollow you and they want to see your other content. Obviously, though, this is only going to work if your videos are interesting. If your videos are super boring and nobody cares about the next parts, then they're not going to follow you. Number 3, be controversial. Oh boy, by this I don't mean you have to intentionally make people angry or be absurdly rude or anything. By this, I simply mean to talk about things in your videos that people are highly opinionated on and very divided by. You don't even have to give your own opinions in these videos, right? But if you just talk about them, people will make some comments. Some people might consider this toxic, but let me tell you, it really helps up drive the interaction on your videos. You're gonna get people fighting in the comments, which will bring your video to more comments, which gets more views, more likes, and more followers, and more money in your pocket at the end of the day. For example, I've made a video just talking about some of the NFL's best fan bases. I didn't give my own opinion on who I think has the best NFL fan base. I simply asked, who do you guys think has the best NFL fan base? So of course, NFL fans got into some arguments in the comments saying that their team had the best fan base or this team has the worst fan base. And they get into arguments, which makes your interaction go way up. Number 4, upload 1 to 3 times per day. This one is pretty self-explanatory. Just make sure to upload at least 1 time a day. It's alright if once a week, once every couple weeks, you miss a day of uploading. It's not that big of a deal, but TikTok videos don't take that long to prepare for or come up with an idea for. They don't take that long to film. you should be able to get up at least one video a day. But also don't upload like 10 a day. That's too much. Number 5, make quality content. Like I said, it doesn't take forever to come up with ideas for videos, but I would prefer that you actually write your own scripts for these TikToks depending on what format you're going for. And if you're just going into a creative rut and you don't know what videos to make, go onto TikTok and look at people who make similar videos to you, and you can take inspiration from them. Obviously, you don't want to just copy them completely unless you're going to give them credit, but inspiration is everywhere. Also, even though it takes a little bit of time, I would recommend editing your videos. For example, when I do ranking videos, when I'm ranking teams or players or uniforms or whatever, I like to write the number and the name of the team during that section of the video and just have it in text. It might not seem like a lot, but it keeps people's attention spans on your video just to have something else to look at. Finally, number 6, use hashtags. Even if your content is really bad, you can still get a good amount of views on it just by using hashtags. Go crazy with them. I usually use like 20 hashtags per video, and not just your typical hashtag FYP or hashtag TikTok. Like actual hashtags that have to do with the content you're making. So for me, I use hashtag NFL, hashtag NFL rankings, hashtag NFL opinions, and other iterations of hashtag NFL, really. Okay, that's it for tips. Now let's go into the 4 different main ways that you can make money on TikTok. The main way you can make money from TikTok is from the TikTok Creator Fund. Once you hit 10,000 followers, you can sign up for it, and TikTok will pay you a share of what they're making on the ads they put on before your videos. The amount you're gonna make will definitely vary on how many views you're getting and how your content relates to the ads that are being played and how the ads get interaction. There's probably a whole algorithm to it that I don't understand, but you'll usually get paid anywhere between 2 and 4 cents per 1,000 views, whereas on YouTube I make about $15 per 1,000 views. But at the same time, it's a lot easier to get more views on TikTok. The second way you can make money on TikTok is through live GIFs. Once you get, I believe, 1,000 followers on TikTok, you can start to go live, and when you're doing these live streams, people can send you virtual GIFs. For every $1 they spend on these gifts that they send you, you'll get paid around 50 cents for them. The third way you can make money on TikTok is the creator marketplace. Again, once you have 10,000 followers on TikTok, you can join the creator marketplace. This is where brands and companies can pay you a fixed rate to make videos centered around their products. The fourth and final way that you can make money on TikTok, and potentially the most lucrative way you can make money on TikTok, is by selling your own merch or driving people to your own businesses and YouTube channels and things like that, where you can make a lot more money than you would on the Creator Fund. Okay, we've finally come to how much I have made on TikTok thus far. So I've actually only been on the Creator Fund for about 20 days, and with 16,000 followers, I have made $53.52. This averages out to about $2.68 per day and about $977 a year. Obviously not a ton, but I'm just starting out and I believe my account has plenty of room to grow. I've also went live a few times and I've made $27.09 from doing lives. Honestly, doing live streams are way more profitable than the Creator Fund. I'm probably going to start doing those more often. In fact, one time when I went live, I made $11 on just one live stream, which is insane to me. So far between live streams and the Creator Fund, I've made just over $80. I will admit, the last few days my videos have not been doing so well. I'm really hoping that I'm not like shadow banned or something. And plus, some of my biggest videos are really starting to slow down in how many views they get. So things are not looking great right now, but I am not going to give up. I believe this account has a lot of potential. And if you're interested in the NFL or you just want to see how my account is going to grow over the next couple months, be sure to go and follow me on TikTok. I'll put a picture up right here, and I'll put the link in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching this video on BusinessBuzz. If you haven't liked this video yet, I would much appreciate it if you learned anything from this video. And also be sure to subscribe for more business and personal finance content. I'll see you next time.